Alright, this video is just to give you an idea and show you how to get to the knock sensor. And I tell you, it's not easy. This is a 2002 Nissan Frontier supercharged 4-door. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take out the bell and you're gonna take out the supercharge, which is right here. Then you're gonna take out the top piece, the injectors. Well, first you're gonna take out the manifold. Like, you don't have, none of this stuff is gonna come off completely off the car. So manifold, you take out 3 screws and you shim it to the side. Take out the supercharge and flip it over. Take out that plate, that's the bottom piece of the supercharge, and flip it up. Then you take out the injectors and flip it up too. I did take out the line that hook up to the injector, the line right there, which I got it back here, somewhere back here. Actually came back down, but this you do need to take out, okay, so you can have more playroom to flip the injectors. You're gonna flip all the injectors up. Don't take the injectors out like one by one, just keep them in the rail. Keep all the injectors on the rail. Flip the whole injector rail back and get a wire so it can hold it for you up there. And then you're gonna take all the bolts out that hold the other bottom thing to the block. And another thing that I learned, there's this, let me get it. There's this tiny screw, which is all the way on the front here, behind that idle pulley, and that attach, sorry about the movement, that attach right here. So if you don't take this off, you're gonna be fighting with this until you figure out that you got one more bolt to take out. And now finally, once I take all those things out, and you gotta kind of lift it straight up. Another thing is gonna be a little hard to take off is that little hose right there. It's gonna be a little pain. But once you lift it up completely, like even, then we can flip it. And then here we come. So we lift it up, and there is what we need. We did all this fighting just to get that sensor right there. I think Nissan should have done something better or easier to get to it, not so hard. So there's no way you can get this off without lifting this thing. I saw a guy, he made a video, he did it from the back. He stick his hand in there, and I don't know if he got it out or not. But this is it. Now we just gotta change that sensor and put everything back. So here's the bad knock sensor. Now we got everything nice and dry in there. Make sure if you get water in the valve, make sure you blow them out with air and get it dry before you put everything back. Now we're just gonna work the puzzle back together, put everything back. Okay, let's do it. I gotta do the spark plug. Probably do the spark plug before I close it. Well, let's do it. Okay, so we got everything back together. as you can see right here, you can see the silicone coming out, and if you can see, but it's all the way down there on the lower, you can't see it from here, the lower pan too. All right, so got everything on, the bell, everything, the new knock sensor. Now I gotta do oil change and gas filter, and that's it. This thing is gonna be back on the road. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you're gonna make your life easier in some stuff. Thank you. Thank you very much.